Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So before we start the class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. So I will introduce myself before we go to our class. I'm your new English teacher in this semester, and today, how's life, guys?
All good, sir.
All good, yeah. Have you breakfast today? Oh, have you taken a bath? Yes. So, Pace, are you late to wake up this morning?
What's up?
Bangun kesiangan. Apa kamu bangun kesiangan? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, are you like owl or something, Pace?
I am not with my friend.
Oh, hang out with your friend. Okay. We will move to our material today. So, I will give you two texts in this power slide, and you should compare these stories. Zafira, can you read the text A?
Last week, a boy visited an all-night mountain. The diaper was big and wide. Suddenly, he got lost. He was scared, but finally he found the exit.
Nggak bisa, Mas.
And
Maksimal.
Okay, good, Zafira. And then, Sinta, can you read the text B?
A boy stumbled. He went there. It was scary.
So, guys, after you read those two texts, where is more detail?
That's
The text A. What do you think the text A is more detailed than text B?
more information.
More information, excellent, Sinta. And then what? Is it text A more complete than text B? Because there is apa? Raihan, can you answer it? Maybe.
Penjelasan, sir, last week.
Oh yeah. Good, Rehan. Okay. Okay, we will move to. I will commend you guys to discuss this two type of text. You should find the pattern from this text. I will write it down in whiteboard. Kalian bisa ngeliat nggak? Ya? Kelihatan nggak? Nggak kelihatan. Serius? Nggak kelihatan. Kelihatan nggak Zafira? Serius?
yang tadi.
Mending yang hitam tadi. Okay, you guys should find the pattern about these two tags. Okay, what do you think, Devi? Where is the beginning of the text A? Last week. President of the temple. Is it true, Rehan? What do you think about Devi's answer?
Yes, sir.
Because what, Rehan?
Because it tell us about the beginning.
It tells us about the beginning.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah. And then, where is the problem? Zafira?
Yeah. Suddenly he got lost.
Suddenly he got lost. That's good, Zafira. And then we will move to where is the ending of the text A? Finally, so menurut kalian kenapa kalian bisa tahu kalau itu adalah ending? Ada kata apa yang membantu kalian menemukan itu ending? Finally, that's good. Okay. And then we will move to another slide. Why is it interesting? Seperti yang saya tanyakan ke kalian tadi, kenapa teksnya lebih menarik menurut kalian?
Which text, sir?
Teks yang tadi, Miss, tadi kan sudah dibaca. Teks yang sebelumnya.
A or B, sir?
Teks A. Saya sudah bilang. More detail. Yes, good. Excellent. So, how about the others? Raihan,
I think what Sita said.
what's she said? What's she said?
Full of description.
Description. So the text show an event like that. Yeah. Good, Pak. Good, Rehan. Okay. So now we will move to the concept naming. So the narrative text has a concept naming di sana. Jadi ada bahasa yang lebih memang diperuntukkan di dalam narrative text. Contohnya beginning is the orientation. So tadi beginning itu apa? Awal perkenalan di sebuah teks. So menurut si Zafira, orientation itu di mana? Penempatan di teksnya biasanya. The first text. Okay, good. So orientation is the beginning, and then we will move to problem. Problem kalau di narrative text itu biasanya disebut complication. Contohnya kayak yang tadi complication tuh yang disebut Zafira tadi apa? He got lost. Oke, itu adalah salah satu problem di narrative text. Biasanya penempatannya ada di mana, Rayhan? Kalau problem
Middle of the text.
middle of the text, that's good, Rayhan. Okay, so the ending is the resolution. Menurut kalian tadi ada salah satu kalimat yang bisa menunjukkan the resolution yang kayak disebutin Zafira tadi. Can you give me the example? Finally, good. Mostly the resolution penempatannya ada di mana, Devi? At the end of the text. And then kata kerja is the past tense. From our text before, can you find the past tense of the text A? Visited, good, and sorry, was, sorry, And then Ryan, when? Desi, can you find
Scared.
scared? That's good. It's a past tense atau apa anak-anak? Past tense.
Verb,
Okay. And then last but not least, it's kata sifat or adjective. So from our text before this text A, can you find the adjective of the text A? All good. And then,
Quick and hard.
sorry,
safely,
suddenly,
safely,
apa? Safely. And then,
Big and quiet.
big and quiet. That's good. Jadi itu tadi namanya apa? Ryan. Adjektif apa? Kata sifat good, bagus Ryan, good.
kita teman saya, sir.
Sorry?
Kita teman saya, sir.
Iya, bagus. Okay, and then we will move to fix the bad story. What do you think you guys should fix this text? Karena apa? Menurut kalian?
There is no beginning.
There is no beginning.
And ending.
That's good, Raihan. So this text is tidak komplit ya di situ. It's kurang detail seperti yang Sinta said before. So now maybe you can write it down in your paper masing-masing dulu. Nanti I will call you ke depan untuk menulis.
The exam.
Sorry?
What should be written, sir?
What should you write? You should fix this bad story.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Fix that story.
Yes. I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, have you done, guys? Not yet, Raihan. Done. How about the others? Apakah sudah selesai? Not yet. If you don't, guys, yeah. Okay, I will call you. Saya akan menunjuk kalian secara random ya. Karena ini tanggal 23. Karena ini tanggal 23, 2 tambah 3 adalah 5. Saya akan memanggil yang namanya 5 huruf. Siapa yang namanya 5 huruf?
Sita. Yes.
Grace berarti. So Grace, can you come forward? Because ini tanggal 23 ya, 23. Optimize AI. Ditulis. Oh iya. Ini hanya simulation.
Is this already part of your second cycle?
Belum, Miss. Oke, thank you Miss Devi. Oke, so kita akan recall lagi sebelumnya. What is missing from this text? Apa yang missing di situ, dan menurut kalian kenapa punya Devi lebih more detail than this previous text? What is missing from this text? Is that the complication maybe, or what? Adjective, past tense, the past tense. So the Davis text more detailed because there is a past tense in there, or
Because there are more information such as the time and the adjective.
that's good. Davira, kamu ranking 1 ya di kelas ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we learn today, menurut kalian apa aja yang kita pelajari hari ini? Adjektif, terus apa lagi Rehan? Past tense. Beginning, terus apa lagi?
Beginning is orientation, sir.
Sorry?
Orientation.
Orientation, that's good. Okay, we will move to my cycle too. I will divide you into 2 groups, and each group is berisi 2 member ya, karena because teman-teman kalian tidak ada yang datang, kalian hanya berempat, jadi sangat sedikit sekali. Oke, baik. Oke, kita lanjutkan sekarang. Lalu divide you itu berapa grup tadi? 2 groups. And each group berisi berapa orang? 2%. Oke, good. Oke, jadi saya akan menjelaskan skemanya terlebih dahulu. I will give you guys a random card that is, itu adalah potongan-potongan kalimat. Dan nantinya kalian akan membentuk grup berdasarkan kalimat yang sudah terbentuk dengan sempurna. Jadi Sinta, gimana skema pemilihan grupnya? Based on my card, okay. And then how do you find your friends? Partner, how do you find your partner? Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, I will give you the random card, and you can choose Raihan because you are the last. 5 minutes or 2 minutes to find your partner.
Apa dia?
In the forest.
Lebih lain.
Apakah kalian sudah menemukan grupnya masing-masing?
Yes.
Oke, good. So kita we will move on to akan melakukan sebuah gallery walk in this section. I will give you a gallery walk section. Sebelumnya kalian sudah pernah mendengar gallery walk belum, adik-adik?
Belum.
Belum. Oke. Saya akan membuat stasiun-stasiun gallery walk-nya dulu.
You can just say station.
Station. I will make the station
What the name of station?
the name is in there.
Oh.
I have a poster for each station. Okay. Because we only have 2 groups and I got 4 stations in this class. You can choose your own station, terserah kalian mau ambil apa, and then you should pick your ticket to see what's your role, what's you got. Maksudnya kalian akan mendapatkan roles apa di stasiun itu. You can go now. Some per group. Up to.
One person, one station, or
Oh, one group, one station. Terserah. Mau di mana. We have 4 station. Individual. Oh no, in group. Oke. Nih, kalian di. This is your roll cards. Don't cheating and don't exchange to your friends. Oke, masing-masing dari kalian sudah mendapatkan role-nya masing-masing? Sudah? Oke, saya akan menjelaskan about the rules, gallery walk rules. We should work together and then speak English and then walk, don't run, respect other groups, finish one station before moving to the next station, and then if the time's up coming, you should move to other station. Jadi saya akan memberikan waktu, sebelumnya kalian harus memutari semua station. Ya, jadi di setiap station